Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, March 12th, and I'm talking about your band announcements for next week, the 15th through the 19th. First week of fourth quarter, the last week before spring break. Whoop, whoop. Okay, junior high kids, next Friday is a band day, so that means that 7th graders, you will have band on Friday. 8th graders, it'll be a chorus day for you. 8th grade lessons are next week, so make sure on Monday, I see my clarinet. No. Yes, Monday, my 8th grade clarinet players, so be there. 5th graders, bring your snare drums. We'll keep working on that stuff. Show choir showcase will be April 30th and May 1st, not the 2nd, so I'll change that before I upload that. Here's your junior high schedule. If you are quarantined, you're welcome to Zoom in with us. The Zoom link is still in Google Classroom, so go ahead and just click on that and join us during your time. High school kids, next Friday is a band day, and after we get back from spring break, it will also be a band day on Friday. Show choir showcase has been added April 30th and May 1st. Marching band. The schedule has been sent out. I'll be attaching it to this email as well. We're practicing outside tomorrow, so make sure that you are wearing layers. Bring a hat and some sun gear, so like sunglasses, sunscreen, things like that. Make sure that you hydrate. Don't drink like a lot of soda and sugary drinks. Make sure that you drink a lot of watery drinks. Okay, cool. Just a reminder that the date change for our second football game is been moved from April 2nd to April 3rd. That's Saturday, April 3rd. Let's see. So this week was our first week of weekday rehearsals, and I have quite a few students who did not make their 2 weekday rehearsal quota. And a few of those were for family emergencies, funerals, things of that nature, school activity conflicts as well. Those are excusable. Things that are not excusable is you didn't wake up in time, or you didn't want to come, or you had a work conflict. There's a reason I scheduled rehearsals before school and after school, so that those who have work schedules can come before school, as well as those who have after-school activities can come before school if they're able. And if waking up early is hard for you, then show up to the Tuesday and Wednesday after-school ones. I mean, there's options, so show up. The reason these are important is because we perform in 8 days. I don't know if you've realized that. Now, mind you, it's a weird season, and it's not going to be our best quality product, but I do want it to be good enough that you at least feel good about it. So, I mean, showing up to an hour rehearsal before school or after school is not that hard in terms of just show up, be present, and we'll practice things together. It's not the end of the world there. So please make sure that you are meeting your 2-day per week quota. Parents, make sure that you are badgering your children into getting there. Beat them over the head with pillows or something. I don't know. Get creative. Let's see. Tomorrow is the 13th. We have a 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock marching session. We'll be outdoors for that. Make sure that you are there if you are available. So far, I don't think there are any athletic conflicts, so should have everyone there. Next week, we'll still have the morning rehearsals on Monday and Thursday, the after-school rehearsals on Tuesday and Wednesday. If you need to ride the late shuttle on Tuesday and Wednesday, that gets to the high school around 5:45. So just bring something to work on until that comes to pick you up. The 20th is our first football game. There will be a meal at noon, and then the game starts at 2. If you have not got your uniform yet, not counting color guard, if you have not got your uniform yet, please let me know so that I can get you fitted up and all that good stuff. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great weekend. Have a good day today. I'll see you guys at some point.